boys and girls, welcome to Foundations. This is the last week. We're going to be learning N and M, and next week we're going to get on 2 more letters. So far we've learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Very good job. So this week, week 2, we focused on N, nut, N, and M, man, Last week we did T, top, T, B, bat, B, F, fun. Let's get started with drill sounds. Okay. T, top, T. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. M, man, N, nut, Very good. Now let's do the standard sound cards. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. M, man, N, nut, T, top, T. Great job. All right, boys and girls, it's story time. Okay, today, while I read the story, I want you guys to visualize the story, and then I want you to perform it, play it out. Act like you're Echo and you're sitting on a very tall branch and that you're hungry. You're looking for a mouse and you scoop down, and you fly down and you eat the mouse, and then you're very happy. All right, let's get started. Echo finds dinner. One day, Echo was deep in the forest. She sat on a branch of a very tall tree. So imagine you're really high up there and you're an owl sitting on a tall branch. Echo had a problem. She was very hungry. Echo had to find food, so she searched and searched, looking all around the forest. Echo saw something move. It was a mouse. Echo was fast. She flew down and scooped it up. Echo ate the mouse and was happy. How'd you do? Want to do it again? Okay, one more time. Here we go. And see you act it out, okay? One day, Echo was deep in the forest. She sat on a branch of a very tall tree. Echo had a problem. She was very hungry. Echo had to find food, so she searched and searched, looking all around the forest. Echo saw something move. It was a mouse. Echo was fast. She flew down, scooped it up, and Echo ate the mouse and was happy. All right, boys and girls, how did you do? Good. I would love to see a video of you acting out that if you can. Boys and girls, good readers always have a picture in their mind about what's going on. That's called visualize. They always, when they're reading or listening to something, they always have a picture in their mind of what's going on. That's good reading. Okay, boys and girls, we're now going to be playing a game. And for this game, you're going to need your alphabet cards. B, T, F, N, and M. Okay? So, what's going to happen is I'm going to give you a sound, and you are going to find that sound, and you're going to be putting it down on the table. Ready? That's right. T. T says T. Okay, our next one. Very good. M says Excuse me. Next one. Awesome. F says Next one. B. That's right. B says B. I'm trying to be not too. Hey, T says T. And look at my lips. Right. N says Okay, now I want you to put all the plain line letters, the ones that start on the plain line, and I want you to put them down for me. Very good. N and M are plain line letters. Okay, now pick them up and do the skyline letters. Skyline letters. There's 3 of them. That's right. T, B, F. They're all skyline letters. All right, just for another thing, I'm going to do sounds, and you're going to put them down again. Very good job. T says T. M says B. Awesome job. B says B. Pick it up. F. Oh. F says. All right, boys and girls. And to help me out today was Ava. She got done her virtual learning early today, so she's helping me with your learning. Thank you, Ava, and thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy your weekend. See you next week. Bye.